Hello everyone, this is Mehan. Today video I would like to show you how you can add background music to your YouTube video step by step from start to finish using Camtasia Studio. Okay, let's start. Adding background music to your video is another way to bring more user experience to your YouTube video. In here I show you how to download and apply it in Camtasia and save it in the libraries. Okay, if you log into your YouTube channel and you may see here audio library. So audio library is one of the best free to get audio or sound effect from YouTube directly, and you can apply it for monetize also. So they have plenty of music here that you can download and via the license, and you can just play the track, okay, or you can sort the track by mood or artist or by date here, okay, and they have sound effect here, you can try also. Okay, here keep playing and start the one that I used to play around with. Okay, but some may need license. For example, this one don't need any license. But if we filter attribute require, so here we need a license. For example, you like this one, and you need to copy this and paste in every video that you use and paste it in the description for credit. So you can copy it and use and put in your video description, you can use it. Or you just filter no attribute required, so you don't need any application to put the name or the music or the track, so you can use in your video. Okay, for example, let's say okay, for example this one, and let's download it. Okay, download is finished. We can show it in our folder. Just copy and paste. Okay, our sound is right here, and let's open Camtasia, and then we can apply it and use it as a library for later use in another video. Okay, just open new project. Okay, this is empty project. For example, I load one of my video how to do keyword research right here. Okay, let me separate the sound. Okay, and then drag our sound right here, so you may hear it loudly. Okay, you may hear it loudly, so just this track, I have my sound right here, so we can load this again to only 10%. Okay, so we can play to help you to do keyword research in order to get more. So it here a little bit. For example, I move this. Okay, move that, and you may hear. Okay, not loudly, but it's good to go. But you can adjust. For example, 20%. Okay, let me put it 20%. For example, like that. And you can add it to our library, for example like this, and 3D4 libraries. Okay, 3D4 library like this, or you can save and render this project. For example, I close this and I have another project. Let's open another project. Okay, new project, import media. Let's drag this media right here. Okay, right there, and we can go to our library and add our background music right here, and we can just delete. Alright, just split it, and we can delete the rest, and then we have our background music right here. Okay, right here in our video, so we don't need to go to add again. When we add to the library already, we can apply to any project that upcoming. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. Okay, bye bye.